Lily Coleman has this part of our story covering Allegheny County from Penn Hills.
As we all are preparing for more than a little bit of snow across western Pennsylvania, Eastwood Hardware here in Penn Hills says they're preparing for more than a little bit of business. It's service with a smile inside of Eastwood Hardware. They call this the calm before the storm.
It's been pretty steady. I mean, it's not, real busy, but it's been steady.
Do you think it's going to get real busy?
Possibility.
When doors opened at 8, customers like Monique Walker had one thing on the mind.
And I said, let me hurry up and go get something because of the weather that's coming. I know it's about to get bad for us, or at least that's what I'm hearing. So I would like to be prepared.
Store employees spent the morning taking inventory on storm supplies, things like shovels, scrapers, and ice, all tools that will likely be in high demand. Right now, they are still waiting on a shipment of rock salt, but they have plenty of calcium chloride. And if you're like me and don't know the difference,
it's in the temperature difference in which it melts the snow. Rock salt normally is around 20 degrees, and calcium chloride is usually around minus 25 degrees.
Yesco says calcium chloride is also better for your pavement, so that's often the more popular option for homeowners. And while a lot of focus is on what you need for your home to keep your sidewalks clear and your steps clear, another important thing that you shouldn't forget about is what you need in your car to be safe as well. Windshield wiper fluid, very popular this time of year. Covering Allegheny County from Penn Hills, I'm Lily Coleman, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.